is transforming modern warfare, reshaping how conflicts are fought and won. The demand for skilled AI engineers in the military is soaring as nations recognize the strategic importance of this technology. Aspiring military AI engineers require a robust combination of technical expertise, domain knowledge, and a strong ethical compass. A strong foundation in computer science, mathematics, and statistics is paramount. Proficiency in programming languages, such as Python and C++, is essential for developing and implementing AI algorithms. However, technical skills alone are not sufficient. Understanding military doctrine, operational environments, and the ethical implications of AI in warfare is crucial for developing AI systems that are effective, responsible, and aligned with the values of the armed forces. Continuous learning and adaptation are also vital in this rapidly evolving field. AI engineers must stay abreast of the latest advancements in AI research, emerging technologies, and evolving threats to ensure that military AI systems remain at the cutting edge. The integration of AI into military operations offers a plethora of advantages, ranging from increased efficiency and precision to reduced risk to human soldiers. AI-powered systems can automate tasks, enhance situational awareness, and improve decision-making capabilities, ultimately leading to a more effective and responsive defense force. However, the use of AI in the military also presents significant challenges. Ethical concerns, particularly regarding the potential for autonomous weapon systems to make life or death decisions without human intervention, are a subject of intense debate. Ensuring the responsible development and deployment of military AI with appropriate safeguards and human oversight is crucial to mitigate the risk of unintended consequences. Additionally, addressing practical challenges such as ensuring the reliability and robustness of AI systems in complex and unpredictable operational environments is paramount for the successful integration of AI into military operations. The development and deployment of AI in the military must be approached with a balanced perspective, carefully considering both the potential benefits and the associated risks. Open dialogue, ethical frameworks, and international cooperation are essential for navigating the complex landscape of military AI and harnessing its power